In the 1989 Full Moon production Puppet Master, a group of psychics head to meet a colleague at a seaside hotel, only to discover that he committed suicide shortly before their arrival. That night, they are hunted and murdered by puppets, constructed by a man named Toulon some 50 years earlier.
Life from my life. So beautiful.
Any other details about the plot are sketchy at best. There's something about Egyptian powers bringing inanimate objects to life, and the secret to immortality being that you have to kill yourself first. But really, this movie is just about a big creepy hotel and a bunch of puppets killing people. What I don't quite get, and this is probably a minor quibble out of the myriad of questions you could ask about this movie, is that while we don't see much of this Toulon fellow, he seems like a decent enough dude. From the brief time we spend with his character, he doesn't seem like the sort to be doing anything evil. Why would he make such grotesque and murderous-looking dolls? I'm giving Puppet Master 2 stars. I didn't hate it, and it's not necessarily a bad movie, but it is pretty dull at times, and also sort of nonsensical. The puppet and stop-motion work, though, is excellent for a low-budget film such as this, and that's clearly why there are 3 dozen sequels.